All right, how you doing? This is Joe Farley, your men's life coach. At the end of the day today, it was a long day. We're gonna basically do a plan of action webinar. And this plan of action webinar is where you're basically going to be online with us in our Zoom meeting. We're going to talk about your particular case, whether it's child support, back child support, parenting time, or custody. We want to basically show you what you can say on your motion forms in reference to when you get ready to file them. Sometimes people don't have all the money to pay for a motion completion webinar. However, right now we're doing a special, and the special, a regular rate for the plan of action, which is a 1, 2, 3 step on what you need to do, what you need to file, and what you need to put on your motion to file your motion in those categories of services. So Friends of Fathers is here, strengthening men and empowering fathers, and we want to empower you. And our regular rate for that service is $497, but we're doing a special, and it's actually $147, and you just click on the link. And guess what? We even have something even better than that. We partner with a company called Afterpay. Many of you are probably familiar, where you can basically do that payment, and they'll break it down into 4 payments for you every 2 weeks. So there's no reason, no excuses, no money hindrance. You can get the services that you need with Friends of Fathers. I'm Joe Farley, the Principal Life Coach, and my team and I are waiting for you to click the link so that you can actually get part of our plan of action webinar. So 1, 2, 3 step on what you need to do, what you need to say and put onto your motion, and the correct motion that you need to file to address your issues. So again, I'm Joe Farley, your men's life coach. Of course, my disclaimer is that I'm not an attorney. I don't represent you in a court of law. However, if you need an attorney, because of my professional relationship with a number of different law firms, we can get you an attorney as well. Okay? However, this is about you. Plan of action, your assessment, your 1, 2, 3 step on what you need to do to address your life issue. I'm Joe Farley, your men's life coach. I'm looking forward to serving you and providing the services that we have provided for nearly 20 years. Again, I'm Joe Farley, your men's life coach. God bless you. Have a blessed day, evening, and week. God bless.